Alright, what's good, y'all? So I'm back with another video. And so I got this KASHDAMI preset. Somebody requested for me to do KASHDAMI, so I got you, bro. Got you, gang. Alright, so this is a song I made. I just made this song like 20 seconds ago, bro. I was a little freestyle, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Counting the money, that's all that I know. If he try to run, then my shooters on go. Out with the game, told him send me the low. She asked if I love her, I really don't know. Run to the bread, I'ma get to the dough. When we pull up, we don't knock it though. He try to run tighter, but where he going? Ice on my neck, that be thick and it's snowing. Got some snakes in the grass, so I gotta keep mowing. I got something to prove, so I gotta keep showing. Alright, so that was the song. Now, I'm gonna show y'all the preset. Let's get it. Alright, that was the preset. And I got something to prove, so I gotta keep showing. I might just add 4 more bars to this, so y'all gonna see my recording process. So I gotta keep showing. Thinking what to say. I got something to prove, so I gotta keep showing. That hoe tryna play me, I feel like a weed. Keep showing. That hoe tryna play me, I feel like a weed. Glock is like Curry, you shoot for the 3. Tryna play me, I feel like a weed. Glock is like Curry, you shoot for the 3. That boy. Glock is like Curry, you shoot for the 3. Curry, you shoot for the 3. That boy is a clown, he be thinking he me. For the 3, that boy is a clown, he be thinking he me. Feet, that boy try to run. Bullets go to his feet. That boy try to run. For the 3, that boy is a clown, he be thinking he me. That boy try to run, sending shots at his feet. He's a clown, he be thinking he me. That boy try to run, sending shots at his feet. That hoe tryna play me, I feel like a weed. Glock is like Curry, you shoot for the 3. That boy is a clown, he be thinking he me. That boy try to run, sending shots at his feet. Alright, there we go. That boy, where he going? Ice on my neck, that be thick and it's snowing. Got some snakes in the grass, so I gotta keep mowing. I got something to prove, so I gotta keep showing. That hoe tryna play me, I feel like a weed. Glock is like Curry, you shoot for the 3. That boy is a clown, he be thinking he me. That boy try to run, sending shots at his feet. Alright, so that was the KASHDAMI preset. And yeah, comment down below some more artists y'all want, or rappers y'all want. And I got y'all, bruh.